ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬನು
ಅದರಂತೆಯೇ
ಅದರಂತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? Nobody can guess your move because your move will be decided by the wind of God, not by any human power but by the power of the Holy Spirit. If you are truly born again, ನೀನು ನಿಜವಾಗಲೂ ದೇವರಾತ್ಮನಿಂದ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮಗನಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ, ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತನಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ, you will be filled by the Holy Spirit. You will be filled by the power from above. And the wind blows where it chooses. Where the wind chooses. Which wind? The wind from God. The name of that wind is Holy Spirit. So that if that wind is inside of you, that will take you where it chooses or where He chooses, where He wants. You don't have to decide your destiny. Holy Spirit will decide your destiny.